In this video, I'll show you how to add a second WhatsApp account on the same Android phone. Let's say you have two different WhatsApp accounts and you just want to use both of them on your same Android phone. Then here is how you can do this process. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. But now to add a second WhatsApp account on your Android phone, you just open up the WhatsApp application first. And from the WhatsApp homepage, go and tap on this three-dot line at the top right and then tap on settings here. And once you're here inside the WhatsApp settings, beside your profile, you'll get to see the plus icon. You just need to tap on this. And this is going to bring up with another option is add account here. You just need to tap on add account. And this is going to give you an option to add another WhatsApp account here. Now go and tap on agree and continue. Now select your country first and then just go and enter the phone number that you want to use the WhatsApp for. And then simply go and tap on next and tap on yes, and this is going to send a verification code, so just need to tap on continue. And from this page, go ahead and select your verification method. So let's say I'm going to select the code and then tap on continue. Now simply go and enter the verification code here. And another WhatsApp account will be added to that account. Now you can easily go to the three-dot line and here you get the switch account option and you can switch your account between two of these. And this is how you can actually do this process. Hope you find it very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around and thank you very much for watching.